Hi everyone, it's Mary, and it's Friday, and I am going to do a guided mindfulness walk through nature. This was my walk the other day, but I want to help you guys lead you through your own walk in nature, but you can join mine. So what I suggest is getting a pair of earbuds and plugging them in just so you can take up all the sounds. Um, so once you do that, kind of get settled. And first step is to kind of tap into your breath. So slow down your breathing. Try to think of your inhales being 5.5 seconds long, and your exhales 5.5 seconds long. And so once you kind of get that going, another thing is really important on these mindfulness walks are trying to tap into all of your senses. So what are some of the things that you may see? I always like to look at, what bodies of water may be around. I always also like to look up and looking at the branches above. What may be moving in the wind? What may be moving in the water? What could be flying in the skies? And so, and then also, what may you hear, right? What type of birds are you hearing? Rustling, the water going. It's fun to look at water because it's like what is reflected in the water and what's actually in the water. You can spend a lot of time looking at water and trying to figure that out. And then also try to think about what are some of the things that you may smell, right? You smell some of the dirt, some of the mud, or some of the stuff that's being brought up by the water. It's a great time to take in all of the sounds. And hearing the water trickle, hearing your feet on the trail. You also may hear other voices, other people among the trail. And that's totally fine because that's all a part of the experience. And what are some of the things you may be feeling? What are you feeling on your feet as you walk? Feeling roots and rocks? Did you step in a puddle and is your foot wet? Is it hot? Are you sticky? Is it cool? Are you cold? Those are always things to take in. Another fun thing about walks is you never know who you're going to meet along the way. Pick up friends everywhere. Whether it's a fish or a turtle, stray dog even. For me on this walk it was a great blue heron. And so these walks are a really great opportunity to help turn medicine into moments, right? So when we are able to kind of relax our body through the breath, be in the moment with all of our senses, it really helps calm us down and find peace. So you may not be able to make it out to White Clay like I did the other day, but even just taking a mindful walk out in nature is really important to help calm your nerves through these maybe challenging moments. And they're also a lot of fun, especially in this weather. So thank you for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks.